So I just got up, y'all. Today is the boat trip. I gotta take my daughter to work. She's going on the boat ride, but she's going to work this morning. I just got up, y'all, walked out the house. I have day absolutely zero. So I had to come back home and take care of myself and do my hair. Alright, let me get her to work and I'll be back to y'all. Alright, y'all, so I just dropped my daughter off, y'all. I know I'm looking a mess. I know. I'm gonna clean myself up, don't worry. But I'm about to run into the store right quick to go get a balloon for my little guy while I'm out. Because he loves sending his dad balloons. It's Father's Day. So happy Father's Day to all the dads and all the guys that plays dad roles in kids' lives. So happy Father's Day to y'all. My little guy, he loves sending his dad balloons. He absolutely love it. And then after that, he get very emotional. So he like to do it, but then he get emotional after it. Especially with him getting older, you know, because his friends, he around his friends and his friends have dads. And so he getting older and he's seeing more that he like, dang, you know, they got dads, I don't. And so it's a little touchy for him because he always said, well, my friend got his dad, he got a dad, and I don't. And I just be like, you got a dad, you know, he just up in heaven watching over you. So it's always emotional, you know, and this is my first time I ever had to deal with this type of situation. So it always makes me feel bad. I always feel sad about it. So I'm about to go ahead and get this balloon. Hopefully these lines is not long because I need to go home and do my hair before I go. So let me get to it. Well, they flying everywhere. All right, I got my little guy balloon and I'm about to go home, get ready and clean myself up, clean him up. We is gonna have food at the house for my dad. So we're gonna have food and everything and fruit trays and all that stuff. So so yeah, so I gotta go pick up some food with my mom. And I don't know what else I gotta do after that before we even get on the boat. So y'all will be tuning in. So I'll see y'all in a minute. Okay, y'all, so I see when I come home, let's go do my hair. Yeah, well. I got back in the bed. I'm trying to deal with today. And it's just going how it's going at this current moment. Every year I said I'm not gonna let my feelings take the best of me and my emotions. And I'm gonna get better every year. I feel like I'm getting better every year, but at the end of the day, it still hurts. So I came and I laid down again. But I'm about to get up and start on my hair. And I don't know what I'm putting on today. I think I want to put on some leggings just because we're going to be by the water and it's going to be evening and it may get chilly. So I may just put on some leggings, y'all. That's what I think I'm going to go with. So I'm about to get up. Okay, let me get up. We just got home, y'all. I got out the bed and went to go get the food with my mama. Y'all, I still ain't did nothing. That's crazy. And so, but we got the food. Come on. Y'all, it is burning up out here. They said it was gonna rain. And then, no, it's not raining. Look at the sky. No rain. It's burning up. It's already like 80 something. It's going on 12. So this will be lunch. We're missing a coleslaw then. There's one coleslaw. You want to go back up there? So here go the meal, even though we missing a coleslaw. And the bowl missing too. Yeah, call them because we missing food. And here's a drink. Yeah, call them and see what they say. All right, y'all, we'll be back after we get the food situated. All right, so I'm about to go back up to the KFC because they have forgot the food. Hold on. They have forgot some stuff to put in the bag, so I'm about to go back up there, y'all. I'm sweating really bad. I'm sorry. That look a mess and sweating. So I'm about to go up here, go get the food, then I'll be back. Then I'll be back. I'm burning up. Give me a second. Okay, y'all, I got the extra food. Y'all, listen, I know I don't have my glasses on because I was speeding past the police. I did. So the least I can do was when I got to the red light was to tell them Happy Father's Day. Because they didn't put me over. And so, you know, so I told them Happy Father's Day because I didn't have my glasses on, and that's the only thing I can blame it on, is me not having my glasses on because I can't see good without my glasses. So, you know, it is what it is. But he laughed and he said thank you, you know. And that's how, and everything was okay. It was fine. So, yeah. But I'm telling y'all, people in Michigan is weird, okay? I pull up at the red light. This was before the whole police thing. So I pull up at the red light. You know, I'm banging my music. Y'all know. I'm trying to get in a good mood so I can get on the bus and everything. Y'all know I'm in the, you know, emotional mood right now because of missing my son's father and everything. So, you know, I'm trying to get in the mood so I get on the bus and on the boat and I'm good, you know? And so I pull up, this girl, like, it's something wrong with Michigan people, I'm telling y'all. Like, I pull up and the girl, you know how you can feel somebody just staring at you without even looking? I just glanced over and like the girl is looking at me and got the most nastiest face looking at me, and I'm just like thinking in my head, like, girl, what did I do to you today? Like, you don't even know what kind of mood I'm in today or how I'm feeling or what I'm going through for you to look at me like that. Now, if I was a bad type of person with me already feeling some type of way, I could have got something started, but I'm not like that though. So I just was like, I just turned around and kept on jamming and drove on off, you know. But I'm like, people really got to get their stuff together. Y'all can't just be looking at people like that and just, like, what? Like, why would y'all look at somebody like that? That's just ugly. But I'm almost at home, and I'm about to go home and eat and start on my hair. Finally, I'm going to do my hair. I'm about to do my hair. I'm going to do my hair. All right. I got my food. There was a thigh right there. Nice and hot. I'm about to eat. Then I'm working on doing my hair, y'all. I know y'all tired of hearing me say I'm gonna do my hair. This time, after I'm done, I'm gonna do my hair. When I come back, my hair will be done.
It's they y'all say, yo, y'all say they lingerie on that Chardonnay, scoring touchdowns on your runway. I'm Texas forever like boy, man, I'm Rambo in the yo. I'm Billy Rick like John Jack, I'm Camo in the yo. These thoughts can't stop me nowadays. You wish I was your pound cake. Boy, you know I look good at full. Wish I was your baby mom. Want me to go around and give you good karma, but no. We escalate up in this bitch like elevators. Of course, sometimes shit go down when it's $1 billion on an elevator. Of course, sometimes shit go down when it's $1 billion on an elevator. Goddamn. Mama taught me good home training. My daddy taught me how to love my haters. My sister told me I should speak my mind. My man made me feel so goddamn fine. Wake up, post up, round around in it, lost and on that.
Just got done, put some air in my look. Got tired. I had took in, I'm hot. I took a shower. Oh, I forgot to take my medicine. Oh yeah. I had took a shower, and then when I got done taking my shower, I had put the screen in the door because the glass was still in the door from over the winter. So I put the screen in there so we can get some more air in there without having to turn on the AC or whatever. So I just went on and put the screen in so we can get that outside air in. So yeah, I just got done doing his bike. And what I'm about to do now, I don't know. I don't know what we're about to do right now, but I'll be back. I'm about to go in the house for a second. So I'll be back.
Got the plastic, I've been acting brand new. Bitches acting like they running shit they really ran through.
Let me stop, y'all. I don't know what I just went through. But let me stop, y'all. Oh, I be going through stuff. Let me stop. Okay, y'all. I am dressed. I just went and picked up my daughter. My little guy still ain't dressed. Y'all, I have to wait until exactly we about to walk out the door to get him dressed. Because my baby know how to come outside and run right through the dirt. He don't like being clean. So, I'm just waiting. I'm about to get out this car for my hair started sweating bad. And I started looking like a mess again. So, I'm trying to hold on. I'm about to get out and go in. But the only thing I did last time y'all saw me was do my hair. Took a shower. I cut the back of my hair. I didn't do a good enough job, but I couldn't find my my charger. So I left with some little stumbles, and that's ugly. Like, I'm upset about that, but I wish I could, because I don't like that down there. So y'all will see me when it's time for me to go. I'll see y'all in a little bit when our ride pull up to get us down to the downtown to the Princess Boat. So I'll see y'all in a minute. So, also got his balloon. He dressed. You gonna say hi?
Hi.
So he got to let go of his balloon as soon as that loud ice cream truck go by. Hold on, y'all. All right. Me also is about to let the balloon go for his dad. Huh? You gonna hold it? Yeah. Okay. All right. Hold on. Come over here away from the tree. Let's come over this way. Okay. You want to say anything? Happy Father's Day.
Happy Father's Day.
We love you.
We love you.
All right. You ready? Let go. 1, 2, 3. Let go. There it go.
This diamond, my diamond, this rock, my rock. I woke up like this. I woke up like this. We flawless. Ladies, tell them I woke up like this. I woke up like this. We flawless. Ladies, tell them say I look so good tonight. Goddamn, say I look so good tonight. Goddamn. I wake up looking this good tonight. And I wouldn't change it if I could. And you can say what you want, I'm the shit. I'm the shit. I want everyone to feel like this tonight. Look so good tonight. Goddamn, say yeah. Look so good tonight. Goddamn. Wake up, post up, round in it, lost and on it. This diamond, my diamond, this rock, my rock. I woke up like this. I woke up like this. We flawless. Ladies, tell them I woke up like this. I woke up like this. We flawless. Ladies, tell them say
We made it downtown Detroit to the Detroit Princess Boat. It's not time for us to get on, so we're gonna go look at the water, y'all. You scared? Don't be scared. We up here at the water. There go Canada over there if y'all can see the flag. Right here, Elsa. We just waiting to get on the boat. Look at the water, y'all. We made it on the boat. And y'all, I am so terrified. But we're on the boat. We're in the line to get down to there.
What I think about you, boy.
High volume.
I got what you need, so come share my world. I wanna let you know that you don't have to go. Don't wonder no more what I think about you. If it's something that you want, then you should make me your girl, your girl. If it's something that you need, then baby, come and share my world.
We gon' live it up. She made me beg for it till she give it up. And I say the same thing every single time. I say you the fucking best, you the fucking best, you the fucking best, you the fucking best, you the best I ever had, best I ever had, best I ever had, best I ever had. I say you the fucking. Know you got a roommate. Call me when there's no one there. Put the key under the mat and you know I'll be over there. I be over there, shout it, I be over there. I be hitting all the spots that you ain't even know it's there. And you don't even have to ask twice. You can have my heart or we can share it like the last.
Been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What we want.
My new bitch look like Tyler Perry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going where I want.
just some me time.
Hope you doing what you want.
Crib by the beach like Odell. Over my killers don't tell. Shadow my mark of the New York the shelf. Now my bitch is to Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I wanna go try and get a little maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going well.
get some me time.
You know what you want. Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Been gone for a year, only go like once. Life move fast and you do what you want.
In the meantime,
It's not going where I want it.
get some me time.
You do what you want.
In the meantime,
It's not going where I want it.
get some me time.
You do what you want.
Maybe I'll love myself, I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need much, so fuck my wealth.
Whip, body, whip, got it, die on it. Did I ever ask you to take me shopping in Paris, sailing overseas and just put me in Gucci? No, all I ever asked was you to pick up the phone when you alone. All I ever asked was you to show me some love, kisses and hugs. No, I never had to miss you go to the club with your boys, baby. I never wanted you to stay too long. Just wanted you to show me up. So won't you say my name, say my name? If you claim you want me, it ain't no thing. You acting kinda shady. Tell me, break that shit up. Won't you say my so won't you say my name, say my name? If you claim you want me, it ain't no thing. You acting kinda shady. You ain't been calling me baby, yo. Boy, you can go stop playing games, playing games.
I just got off the boat. It's dark. Y'all, it was so freaking nice. It was so nice. I would have had more fun if my little guy went with me. Because, y'all, I was watching my baby. He was not about to fall. And he wanted to be out all on the deck. He wanted to lean over. I was watching my baby. So, yeah. I would have had a lot more fun if I didn't have him. But it was really fun. I really enjoy myself more than what I thought because I am scared of boats and water. So I did get over my fear and have fun. So yeah, it was really nice. We walking back to the car now, but it was a great night and I really liked it. I would do it again. Now would I get a long cruise? No, not right now, but I definitely would get on another ride again without my little guy to do it all over again. But it was fun and I enjoyed myself. So yeah, I'm waiting. Okay. Yeah, it was fun though. Whew, it was really fun. All right, y'all, if y'all enjoyed my video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back for another video at Tay Life. I will see y'all.